Race number 6. Gates open, they're up and racing. Salinas Black Parade running by Rails Nerve, Unchanging Warrior and Haywire as they race towards the last 800. Snurp in command, Black Parade, Unchanging Warrior is by the rail. Salinas and Haywire as they race towards the final 800. We have Snurp, Unchanging Warrior, Black Parade moving up on the outside. Salinas still racing in port, and moving up is Haywire as they rounded the last 600. Black Parade, Snurp, Unchanging Warrior running by the rail. Salinas remains in port, and Haywire as they race at the final corner. Black Parade, Unchanging Warrior down on the inside. Snurp, then moving up Salinas and Haywire. And down the stretch they come. We have Unchanging Warrior by the rail. Black Parade is on the outside. Unchanging Warrior, Black Parade is on the outside. Salinas with 100. Unchanging Warrior with Pat Dilemma now winning this race over Black Parade. And racing in third, Salinas, Nerp, and Haywire comes in last.
1, 4, 5, 3, and 2. Yan ang